Hello viewers, our today's topic is sex determination in honeybee. As you know, what is sex determination? Sex determination is the finalization that whether the coming offspring will be male or female. So it is decided right at the time of fertilization. So at the time of fertilization, it is decided that that particular fetus, that particular offspring will be male or female. Here you can see in human, chromosomes finalize the sex of a child, and these chromosomes are sex chromosome. If sex chromosome are X and X, then individual will be female. If sex chromosomes are X and Y, then individual will be male. In grasshopper also, it is the only X chromosome which decides the sex of that offspring, right? If two X chromosomes are there, then that offspring will be female. But if there is only one X chromosome, then individual will be male. In case of birds, also chromosomes decide the sex of a offspring. If sex chromosome are ZW, then it will be female, and if ZZ chromosomes are there, then individual will be male. Right. Now come to our main topic, that is sex determination in honeybee. Actually, honeybee is a very unique case. Here, sex chromosomes do not decide the sex of offspring. It is the ploidy level which decides the sex of offspring. If the zygote is having diploid number of chromosome, then it will develop into a female. But if the haploid chromosomes are there, then it will be male. Now see, how does it happen? A female is diploid. It is having 32 chromosomes. Males are haploid. They are having 16 chromosomes. At the time of gamete formation, at the time of egg formation, meiosis takes place in female. And as a result of meiosis, eggs are produced. So naturally, eggs will have half the number of chromosomes. So eggs are having 16 chromosomes. Whereas in male, at the time of sperm formation, there is no meiosis. There mitosis takes place. And as a result of mitosis, sperms are produced. So sperms are having 16 chromosomes. Right. Now these eggs, all eggs are having 16 chromosomes. Some eggs, they fuse with sperm, means fertilization take place. So eggs which fuse with sperm, after fertilization, they will develop into female individual because they are having 32 chromosomes. But there are some eggs which develop into new individual without fertilization. There is no role of sperm. So egg directly develop into new organism. So that new organism will be having 16 chromosomes. So that process is called parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis means eggs develop into new individual without fusion, without fertilization. So this case is of parthenogenesis. Here you can see that males, they cannot produce the male child. Male cannot produce the male child. There is no role of sperm in male child formation. But this male offspring, but the male offspring, it have actually grandfather, and it can also have a grandson, but it cannot produce a male offspring. How? This male individual is formed from this particular female, and in the formation of this female there is role of sperm also, and that sperm she received from her father, right? So definitely this male will have grandfather, and in future it may have a grandson, but it cannot produce a male offspring. So this is about the sex determination in honeybee. Thank you very much.